We're working on all fronts against coronavirus. This is an emergency situation that requires extraordinary action. Our hospitals, doctors and nurses need medical equipment, such as ventilators or testing kits, to treat patients and save lives. And they need equipment, masks, gloves, overalls, to protect themselves from contamination. We need a lot of this equipment, and it can be expensive. And that is why today we accepted to eliminate for a while certain taxes on the import of medical devices and equipment from countries that are outside the European Union. This is good for hospitals and for charities, for example. This is our contribution to easing the pressure on prices for medical and protective equipment and to making them more affordable. To give you an example, in Italy, customs duty of 12% and a value-added tax of 22% is levied on some face masks or protective garments that we import from countries like China. Our decision will make them 1/3 cheaper. For ventilators, the average value-added tax rate is at 20%. This is a temporary measure, and it will apply for at least the next 4 months, or longer if necessary. We stand by our health workers and hospitals, and we will do all we can to help them further.